Set the soy wax to medium-high heat to melt it here. I pour the wax into a paper cup to add color. Use white buttercream to avoid the coloring step. When the wax surface turns frosty, begin whipping and observe the texture. The wax will get thicker and stickier as you go. When it reaches this hook-like, non-flowing state, it's ready for piping. Next, put the piping tip into the piping bag and cut a small opening. Tip just shows slightly. Then scoop the whipped cream into the piping bag. We can practice piping different flower shapes on paper first. Get a feel for the piping, then move on to decorating the candle. Control consistency when piping any shape, and pipe it all in one go. Don't hesitate, just like that, your candle is decorated. Join me for more next time. Gia will demonstrate crafting a jelly candle holder. I'll guide you to craft scented candles by hand in just 14 days. Next session, we'll explore candle mud textures. Gia shows you candle piping techniques.